This is the complaint page of the Delnet portal. Here you can see the previously raised tickets. To raise a new ticket, click the Create New button. It will open a dialog box containing 3 tabs, each for different types of issues, one for shipment-related issues, another for billing and remittance-related issues, and the last for tech-related issues. In this demo, we are going to raise a test ticket for a shipment-related issue. On the Shipment-Related Issue tab, you should first enter the AWB number, then select the category and issue type, and provide remarks. You can also upload an image by clicking the Browse button, which will open the file manager to select an image. Finally, click the Raise a Ticket button to submit the ticket. As you can see in the message, the ticket has been raised. This is the end of the tutorial.